Hello everyone, this is Sadhana. In this video, we're going to be talking about conductors and insulators. First, we're going to be discussing electric current, and then we're going to get into conductors and insulators. We're going to be seeing a few examples of each, and finally, we're going to be doing a little experiment with a few materials to see if they're either conductors or insulators with a very simple circuit. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with your friends. The proper term for the flow of electric power or charge isn't electricity, whereas it is electric current. So basically, electric current is the flow of electrical power or charge. Now, electric current moves better through some materials than the others. The materials in which it does flow well through are called conductors. Now, examples of conductors are paper clips, which are metal, and any other metal. And the materials in which electric current does not go through are called insulators. And examples of insulators are plastic and rubber. We've been talking about conductors and insulators. Conductors are materials that conduct electricity well, and insulators are materials that don't. We have these four materials here, and now we're going to see if they are either conductors or insulators. For that, I've added an extra wire, so once we connect the two metals to the object, we'll see if the light bulb lights up. So first, we'll take a metal paper clip. So once I connect the two sides, paper clip, we see that the light bulb lights up. So therefore, the paper clip is a conductor. Now I'll try this whiteboard marker. Once we connect it, we see that the light bulb does not light up, so therefore plastic is an insulator. Now we'll try this penny. So the penny is made out of copper, so now we'll see if copper is an insulator. Okay, so it lights up, so therefore copper is a conductor. So now we're trying this eraser, which is made of rubber. Let's see. Okay, so it doesn't light up, so now we know that rubber is an insulator. So metals are conductors, and such things such as plastic and rubber are insulators. So we see here that there's metal throughout the wires here, but even if I connect this metal here to here, we don't see that the light doesn't come. And that's because if you look closely, the outside is coated with plastic. And plastic is an insulator, so even if I connect the metal to the plastic, the light bulb won't light up. The reason why there's plastic on the outside is because if their electricity was flowing through and we touch the wire, then we can get shocked. I hope you learned a few things about conductors and insulators from this video. Now, you might have a question. Why are some materials considered conductors while others are considered insulators? Well, that is because in insulators, the electrons are bound tight and they can't move from one atom to another. Since the movement of electrons from atom to atom is what causes electricity, insulators don't cause electricity since the electrons are bound together. In a conductor, the outer electrons are free to move, so they can move from atom to atom. And this is why conductors can conduct electricity and insulators cannot. I hope you learned a few things. Thank you for watching.